Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Thank you for joining me in SpringWatch. This is 14 video projects coming out to you every single day, back to back to back to back, for 14 days, focusing on the Spring Summer catalogue and also the celebration brochure. And this year I'm doing a giveaway based on everything that I'm using each day. So there's a different giveaway every single day. And today I'm giving away the glimmer paper and the washi tape that are from the Myths and Magic bundle. Here's the glimmer paper. It's just gorgeous. So sparkly. Loads of it. And the washi tape. Now obviously I started mine. It's a washi tape bundle. All pretty and sparkly as well. So that's today's giveaway. 2 ways to enter. You can leave me a comment here on YouTube or over on my blog. And that will get you 1 entry into the draw. Or you can place an order and you will get 5 entries into the draw. Now I can only send product to one of our 5 countries. They are the UK, the Netherlands, Austria, Germany and France. So you can buy from there and I can send you product from there. But if you are a randomly drawn winner from a different country, I can't send you product, but I can send you something handmade. Right. Little gorgeous unicorn tea light. Disclaimer alert, if you are gifting this away, put something on the back that says remove candle before lighting. I do not recommend lighting a candle inside cardstock. So I need to get that out there straight off. I'm keeping this for myself because it's pretty and it's rainbow and it's going on my rainbow shelf over there on the right. I'm going to have a pair of them. But if you are going to gift this away, you must write on it, remove candle before lighting. Okay, disclaimer done, safety alert done. Gorgeous tea lights that came from Amazon, set of 6. How cute are they? And it's a unicorn, and it's a rainbow unicorn. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Now, all you need is our Whisper White cardstock, because the decoration is all done elsewhere. So you can get 2 from one of our sheets. Let me bring in my trimmer. The cardstock piece you need is 22.5 by 9.5 centimetres or 9 by 3 3/4 inches. So I'm all glimmery on here. So 9 inches by 3 3/4. And so you would get 2 from those pieces. That's the bit I want. I'm going to do my glimmer paper while I'm here. And it needs to be 2 by 2 inches. Now glimmer paper, as you can possibly see, inside my track there is all sorts of glitter. When you're cutting glimmer paper, don't cut it glittery side up because you will dull your blade. Cut it glimmery side down. So 2 by 2 inches, 5 by 5 centimetres. And that's going to be my panel on the back. Now I'm not worried about the glitter, but if you want to clean up your glitter, get yourself a piece of cardstock that is reasonably thick and run it down your track and it will pick up any loose glitter, and just run a baby wipe or a wet wipe or some wet tissue over it, something like that. Okay, so that's my little panel I'm going to need. Here's my piece of cardstock. Okay, where's my scoring tool? I tidied everything up. Right, on the long side, score it at 3/4 inch, 3 inches, 3 3/4, and 6 inches. On the shorts, oh, and sorry, in metric, that's 2, 7.5, 9.5, and 15. And on the short side, I can't. On the short side, score it at 3/4 inch and 3 inches, which is, let me look at my notes, 2 and 7.5 centimetres. Somebody switch my brain back on for me. Or switch my mouth back on, then I can speak properly. Okay, so burnish your score lines. Be quite gentle because this is Whisper White and it's not quite as tough and robust as our coloured cardstock. Oh, something on eBay. I don't buy on eBay. I don't know what that is. Okay, so this is the way it's going to fold up. So there's a couple of bits that you can get rid of. Okay, so we don't need, off this long section here, we don't need those long parts. And gently take this one away as well. So that's going to be the back of our lovely box. These parts do need to fold round and fold out, so just trim them gently and wedge into your squares. This is a bit like the egg box, but it's not going on the inside, it's going on the outside. Because we're going to punch a hole in a minute. Right. So this is all going to fold up and round, and we're going to get bits stuck down. Actually, I don't need those ones either. So I don't need the end bits. Okay. So that's it, all cut down. So I've got rid of that bit and that bit there, and this is going to fold up. That's going to stick on the inside there. That's going to stick there, and this is what is going to stick to the back to keep it in that position. So I need to punch a hole. Now, it kind of depends on the size of your candle, the height, as to which circle punch it will fit in. Now, mine fits really rather nicely in the 1.5. It's maybe a smidge tight. If I bring in a piece of Whisper White, you'll see that 1 3/4. I get that punch out, it actually just falls straight through it, which is kind of pointless. So we're going to go with the next one, but it is just a hair of a whisper of a little bit too short or too narrow, but we'll not worry. Okay, so there's my circle. I want a little dab of glue because this is going to be my template. I want to get it central. Check I've got the right punch. 1.5. Don't get caught. It's got caught. There we go. So we have taken a little bit of that away. Don't worry, because that actually is going to stick in there. And it is a snug fit. But don't worry. Okay, so gluey parts. I've just lost my glue again. I've just moved it out of the way. Oh dear. So a little glue tab there and there. Whoops. And on this part. And on this bit here. Oh, I've got glue issue going on here, haven't I? And also on the inside of these bits. Let's try and not stick the project to the desk. Right, this part here, so the square is going to marry up to this one. This is essentially the bottom of the box. Okay, so this part is going to come round, and I want to line up my sides first, and that one, and they're all lined up, and I can bring that bit up and line it up, and I'm just going to push my fingers inside to make sure it's all neat. Now the unicorn, like I say, a little bit on the snug side, but it does sit in there nicely. We're going to put some washi round it, start at the back, and this is purely for decorative purposes only. Doesn't serve a purpose, but it looks gorgeous because it's glittery stars. Who doesn't love glittery stars? And it's not exactly washy-washy. You do need to help it on the cut. My little panel here, and then I'm going to do some stamping, die cutting and colouring. That's going to go on there. And then I need to get my Myths of Magic out. So, or rather Magical Day. Such a gorgeous set. I have so been swept away by this. I really have. I love it, love it, love it. Love the unicorn. We're going to stamp her in black this time. And I'm going to just grab the black that I've got closest to hand, which happens to be Memento. Oh, I had glitter on my fingers. Whoops. She's so cute, isn't she? And then my Magical Day framelets. Where's my unicorn? Magnetic platform, cutting plate, stamped image, and die. Line it up round, and I'm going to run this through my big shot, which is just off. It's actually to the right hand side of my desk, but it's sort of, it would be no good on camera. I'd want a tripod or something dippy like that. Oh look, my phone is going crackers here. Oh, decided to throw her at me. And then I'm going to come in with my markers. Now, Mini Marvellous markers, I reckon you could, on a technicality, go with just the Brights collection for this, because my candles are red, orange, yellow, green and blue. Shall I just do that red, orange, yellow, green and a sort of a turquoise? We'll do that. I added in lots of colours before, but, you know, that's okay. So I'm trying to match, really. Oops. Oh, I've got 2 layers of red now. Oopsie daisy. Oh, we'll add 2 over here. Oh, my eyesight is awful. I do have an eye appointment tomorrow. The phone. Oh dear. It's all go, isn't it? So yeah, I reckon the Brights collection, you wouldn't, I mean, I'm not one really for using Old Olive as part of a rainbow. I'd much prefer to use Garden Green, but I'm not going to fight it. We'll stick some blue in. And I need another colour. Oh, good Lord. I have got my glasses on, you'd never know it, would you? Rich Razzleberry as well. So yeah, so just the Brights collection. And then just because it's glittery and it's a unicorn, we're going to put some Winker Stella all over her. Which I highly doubt you're going to see. But she is very glittery now. A couple of dimensionals on the back. And we can put her onto the candle. And I will reiterate my health and safety warning. Put a note on it to say, remove candle before lighting. And much the same as you receive when they come in cellophane wrapping. It says remove wrapping before lighting. Exactly the same. But super cute. Love it. Anyway. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.